I'm Jake.
And I'm Aubin.
And this is Calm TV.
Hey Jake, what's up?
Oh, nothing much. I just have some stuff going on.
What? Stuff? No one likes stuff. You know what you need?
What?
You need some positive thinking, and you want to know how you can get that?
How?
Oh, well, I'll tell you right now. Come to the Cultivating ThinkUp Leaders with speaker Dr. Dyson.
Held Tuesday, February 6th in the LRC 131 building. Man, I am so hungry.
Well, then you should go to the student-faculty luncheon here at Stallworth Square.
Is it held Thursday, February 8th at 12:30?
Oh my gosh, yes it is.
Well, I'll just wait till then.
Jake, no, you have to eat.
What?
Come to the Gemstone Art Exhibit. It's open until February 21st.
And don't miss the Skype Artist Talk held Thursday, February 8th at 1:30 p.m.
You better do it. Do you need money for college? Well, we can help with that.
Not we,
No.
but
I'm broke.
Com can in the FAFSA Workshop.
Yep, it's on Thursday, February 8th at 12:30 p.m.
In 1470 at the TVB building. Man, I'm so bored. I wish there was something I could do or watch. Hey, Lucky Stiff is showing at College of the Mainland until February 11th. Don't miss it.
Starring me!
God, shut up, Aubin.